Imagine this. You step onto your balcony, cup of tea in hand. The city buzzes below, but up here it's a different world. The air is fresh and the morning sun casts a golden glow over everything. A flash of color catches your eye. It's a butterfly, its wings shimmering in the light as it flutters by. A beautiful butterfly dances through the air, landing gently on a bright bloom. You watch in awe as it delicately sips nectar from the flower. This little piece of nature nestled amidst the city is easier to achieve than you might think. With a few pots and the right plants, you can create a sanctuary for these delicate creatures. Many believe a garden is a distant dream for city dwellers. They see concrete and steel and think there's no room for nature. But with a little effort, even the smallest balcony can become a haven for butterflies. Choose plants that attract them, like lavender, marigolds, and milkweed. These winged wonders are not just beautiful to watch, they play a vital role in our ecosystem. They help pollinate plants, ensuring the growth of fruits and flowers. By attracting butterflies to your balcony, you're not just creating a visual treat, you're supporting the natural world. You're providing a safe haven for these important pollinators. So, are you ready to transform your balcony into a butterfly paradise? With a bit of planning and care, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of a butterfly garden right outside your door. Butterflies, with their delicate wings and graceful flight, are more than just a pretty sight. These vibrant insects captivate our hearts with their beauty, but their role in nature goes far beyond aesthetics. They are essential pollinators, flitting from flower to flower, carrying pollen on their tiny legs. This seemingly simple act of moving pollen is vital for the reproduction of many plants, ensuring the continuation of countless species. This pollination process is crucial for the health of our planet, helping plants to reproduce and thrive. Without these diligent pollinators, many of the foods we enjoy and the natural beauty we cherish would be at risk. In a world facing challenges like habitat loss, creating even a small sanctuary for butterflies can make a difference. Urban gardens and balcony spaces can become havens for these creatures, offering them a place to feed and rest. By planting the right flowers on your balcony, you provide a valuable food source for these delicate creatures. Native plants and nectar-rich flowers are particularly beneficial, attracting butterflies and supporting their life cycles. And as you sip your morning coffee, you'll be treated to the delightful sight of butterflies dancing amongst your blooms. It's a win-win situation. Not only do you get to enjoy their beauty, but you also contribute to the health of the ecosystem. So let's cherish these tiny wings and the big benefits they bring. Transforming your balcony into a butterfly haven is easier than you think. Butterflies love sunshine, so choose a spot on your balcony that receives plenty of direct sunlight throughout the day. Butterflies are also attracted to bright colors, so opt for vibrant flowers in shades of red, yellow, orange, pink, and purple. Plant your butterfly-attracting flowers in containers of various heights to add visual interest and create a more natural environment. Butterflies also appreciate a place to rest their wings, so consider adding a small butterfly house or a few flat stones to your balcony garden. Section 4. A feast for fluttering friends. Butterflies are naturally drawn to specific types of flowers. When selecting plants for your butterfly garden, consider these nectar-rich favorites: brightly colored zinnias, fragrant lavender, cheerful coneflowers, and delicate butterfly bushes. These plants are known for their ability to attract butterflies and provide them with a plentiful source of nectar. Diversity is key. Plant a variety of butterfly-attracting flowers to ensure a continuous bloom throughout the season. This will keep your butterfly visitors well fed and coming back for more. Remember, a happy butterfly is a frequent visitor. Section 5. Keeping the butterfly restaurant open. Once you've created your butterfly haven, it's important to keep it healthy and inviting. This means ensuring that the plants are well watered, the soil is rich in nutrients, and the environment is free from harmful chemicals. A thriving garden will attract more butterflies and other beneficial insects, creating a vibrant ecosystem right on your balcony. Butterflies need water, just like us. They often get their hydration from the dew on leaves or from shallow water sources. Providing a consistent water source is crucial for their survival, especially during hot and dry periods. Place a shallow dish filled with water and pebbles on your balcony for them to drink from. The pebbles give the butterflies a place to land while they drink, preventing them from drowning. This simple addition can make a big difference in keeping your butterfly guests happy and hydrated. Avoid using pesticides in your butterfly garden. as these can be harmful to these delicate creatures. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods, such as introducing ladybugs or using neem oil. This way you protect the butterflies while still keeping your plants healthy. Regularly deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers to grow, providing a continuous nectar source for your butterfly visitors. This not only keeps your garden looking beautiful but also ensures that butterflies have a steady supply of food throughout the season. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your balcony garden remains a welcoming sanctuary for butterflies throughout the season. Not only will you be supporting these beautiful insects, but you'll also create a peaceful and enchanting space for yourself to enjoy. Section 6. Welcome the flutter. Creating a butterfly-friendly balcony garden is a rewarding experience. It's a chance to connect with nature, support biodiversity, and enjoy the simple pleasure of watching these beautiful creatures up close. With a little effort, you can transform your balcony into a vibrant oasis for butterflies, adding a touch of color and life to your urban surroundings. So why wait? Start planning your butterfly haven today. You'll be amazed by the beauty and wonder these winged wonders will bring to your doorstep.